Welcome to our step-by-step guide on inserting 3D models in Microsoft Word. To begin, open Microsoft Word and create a new document. Next, go to the Insert tab in the toolbar and click on 3D Models in the Illustrations group. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to choose from a variety of 3D models. Select the desired model and click Insert. Once the 3D model is inserted into your document, you can adjust its size and position by clicking and dragging the 3D rotation handle or using the resize handles. To rotate the model, click and drag the rotation handle in the desired direction. You can also change the lighting and viewing angle by selecting the 3D Model Tools tab that appears when the model is selected. Under the 3D Rotation group, you'll find options to rotate the model along the X, Y, and Z axes. Additionally, you can change the lighting effects, materials, and even add animations to your 3D model. Remember, you can always preview your changes by clicking 3D Model Views and selecting the desired view. Once you're satisfied with the positioning, rotation, and other adjustments, you can continue working on your document, knowing that your 3D model is seamlessly integrated. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a 3D model into Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Microsoft Office tips and tricks.